Hello everyone, I'm painting Hans here. Today, I want to do painting Bougainvillea flowers on my neighbor's fence. I'm going to be showing you how to create a bunch of flowers, use Watercolor technique, and it's a loose style. It's gonna be a little tough. Alright, for colors, yellow deep, Scarlet Lake, Pyrole Rubin, Sap Green, Ultramarine deep by Holbein. This is yellow deep, and next is Scarlet Lake. You can use any brand of orange color instead of this. Next one is Pyrole Rubin. Yeah, also you can use any brand of lead. This Sap Green and next Ultramarine deep. Okay, to sketch for this painting is simple and I sketch it. Let's start by wetting enough water to the sky and flowers. Take a ultramarine dip and apply to top of sky. I'm using calligraphy brush. And next apply a mixture of ultramarine dip and Pyrole Rubin to the sky and some part of flowers shadow area. Now I'm using tip of the calligraphy brush. I'm mixing yellow dip and Scarlet Lake and put on light part of the flower as the first layer. Next, take a little bit thick orange, and so I'm mixing yellow dip and Scarlet Lake and put it into the first layer. I'm using the brush as if it's a crumpled and wiggled motion now because I want to create a more natural bunch of flowers. Use the side of the brush and tip of the brush. Push the brush and drag out. Give it a try. You will surely have fun. Okay? Next, take a mixture of Scarlet Lake, Pyrole Rubin, and it will be intensely red. Put it on the lower of the Bougainvillea. Lightly dab with my brush on a paper towel to take out some water. I need the brush has not much water. So I'm using the tip of brush to draw thin lines and to draw popped out flowers. Just to use the tip of the brush. What do you think? Does it look like popped out flowers and vines? Just motion it tap 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 on the paper. Okay, switch your brush to draw leaves with green as the first layer. Take some color, put on the paper and wiggle brush, wiggled and tapping. And put on a mixture of sap green and ultramarine deep on lower leaf part. I'm mixing Pyrole Rubin and ultramarine deep. It's gonna be like purple, and put on under leaves as the shadow. I'm mixing Scarlet, Pyrole Rubin, and sap green, and a bit of ultramarine dip. So I want to draw vines and tiny flowers petals. Still, this paper has a lot of water, so just you can use very thick color. If you use a lychee water brush, yeah, it will be make some dirty mark on the paper, so be careful. Switch brush draw small petals and vines. Give some depth in a flower. I'm not satisfied with this color, so I made a little dirty color for here for flower. So I will splash with green orange. So I'm mixing yellow and scarlet light color for splash. Here, this area. I don't like that dirty color. Maybe I mixed yellow and scarlet light, and then maybe add some ultramarine deep color. So I splashing with green orange. It'll be help to make a beautiful flowers color, right? I'm going to draw some part of the shadow that's from the board leaned against the fence under the flower. Use ultramarine deep, and ultramarine deep mix Pyrole Rubin color, so it's kind of purple. And for shadow, wetting the paper and take a bluish purple and draw shadow. As you can see, the light is coming a light top, and so shadow is left lower. This is some shadow from flowers and vines, so it's not even. So I'm using some dots and some tiny lines. Okay, we are almost done shadow part area, so I want to give them some depth. Next time, draw a few lines, horizontal line, vertical lines. I don't like the straight lines in my painting because this fence and this board are old ones outside the house. So I wanted to create a more natural painting, so I draw some dots and lines unevenly. Okay, I make some depths on the shadow area. Next, I draw electric poles left and side of right. So here is a little small size of poles. and open your imagination. There doesn't have any electric poles, but then sky is a little bit empty, so I put the electric poles there. And here is a bit bigger size. I don't want to draw the same size, so try a little bit different, something different. Take out some color from there. I want to try a little natural painting. So you can take out some color and put some dark color. Use your own imagination, okay? Draw vines in detail. More vines here and there. Splash it with orange. Let's draw a few lovely birds sitting on electric wire. Next time I'm going to try draw wire, but it's not easy, little bit tough. Always you want to straight or clean lines, but then don't worry about it, just to try it, okay? Use the swift motion, swift brush, okay? Draw more lovely birds there. And these final touch-ups will make this painting more natural and the viewer will feel comfortable, right? Okay, alright, we are all done. I really hope you had a good time with me as I did. See you next time. Bye.